About 90% of everything you own, from your smartphone to your morning coffee, arrived by sea. But today, the global shipping industry is facing its biggest crisis in decades. From tensions in the Red Sea to dark fleets evading sanctions, the ocean has become a high-stakes digital battlefield. Maritime AI is essentially giving a ship supervision. Because the ocean is vast and often unmonitored, AI helps operators process massive amounts of satellite and sensor data. It acts as the navigator, finding efficient routes, the watchman, spotting threats, and the engineer, predicting engine failures. The industry is moving through three horizons: efficiency, security, and autonomy. We're seeing the rise of fully autonomous drone ships for hazardous cargo and long-distance research. In global conflicts, ships often turn off their digital ID tags to hide. This is called going dark, but AI finds them anyway. It uses satellite radar to see through clouds and darkness to find metal hulls. It then compares that radar blob to a database of ship shapes to identify the vessel type and predict its path. To stay safe at sea, we need three things: hybrid connectivity, human in the loop, and visual navigation. An AI can suggest a route, but the captain must give the final approval for maneuvers. Since GPS is often jammed in conflict zones, AI must navigate using stars or coastline recognition. The future of the global economy depends on a secure digital anchor. To understand how technology protects trade routes, please like and subscribe to the AI Buzz YouTube channel. We're here to help you see what's coming on the horizon. Thanks for watching.